guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Robin. Today we are going to be talking about something that I have started to get super interested in lately, and that is crystal healing. Now, I know a lot of people will probably look at that and be like, that's a whole bunch of malarkey. Now, I was kind of the same way before I started doing a lot of research about 6 months ago, and I feel confident enough now to kind of start my journey and see if it actually does anything for me. So I kind of just want to vlog and keep track of if I really like this, if I think it's working, if I think it's helping, all that kind of stuff. And I just kind of wanted to make a video documentary. Hopefully it turned into something that I really like to do. I just wanted to see if there's really any truth behind all this stuff that I see on YouTube and people posting about. I've been super into manifestation and the law of attraction lately, and a lot of people who are super into that and talk about those kind of things a lot, they're into crystal healing and kind of the other side of things that a lot of people aren't, like tarot readings and all that kind of stuff. Now, I'm not into like the psychic readings or anything. That's not really my vibe. I'm not really going for the tarot card reading things either. I just want to see what crystals do, learn about their vibrations and their energy. Just kind of wanted to share with you guys what I got to start out with. And then this video will contain us actually cracking open some rocks that I bought from a local store and starting out my crystal healing journey. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I got first, just kind of like put that out there so that everybody can see kind of where I'm starting out. We went into Earthbound the other day, which we actually don't have one in our area, so I was super excited about that. And they had a whole bunch of crystals and things on crystals, and so I was talking to a lady in there, and she gave me a lot of helpful tips and advice. First of all, I got this bag, so cute. They planted a tree because I bought it. So I got 3 sets. I got a calming set, healing stones, and the chakra stones. I know these are kind of just like beginner starter kits, but also I am a beginner, so I didn't want to go out and spend a crap ton of money on stuff if I wasn't going to enjoy it. I am planning on investing in this if it is something that I find is helpful and works, but for now it's just kind of testing it out to see what's going on. So the first set that I got was the chakra stones, and these ones are actually the ones that you put on your body and then you lay on the floor, you make a force field. This is actually pretty helpful because it tells you what all the crystals are on the back. It tells you what color they are and what they do and what their power is. That way you know where to put them. It tells you where to put them on your body, and you know what they're doing to you. And they're also color coded, which is really helpful for somebody like me who has no idea which crystals are which. So that is super helpful. I really liked this chart on the back. I think this one's probably my favorite one just because there's so much variety in it. Here are the 7 you receive in the pack. So there is Jasper, Citrine, Tiger Eye, Aventurine, Sodalite, Amethyst, and Quartz. And if I'm saying any of these wrongs, I sincerely apologize, but I have no idea how to say them. So these are kind of what they look like. They're probably the 7 most common ones because they are the chakra stones. So a lot of people start out with those ones, and these ones are pretty good. The healing stones, we have Aventure, Sodalite, Pyrite, and Onyx. I'm just going to show you the 2 that weren't in the other ones because obviously 2 of them look exactly the same as the last ones. These are the 2 different ones from this collection, which is super cool. For the calming stones, we have Amethyst, Quartz, Fluorite, and Kyanite. And these are the 2 that were not in the other ones. So they're so cute. I think they're just fun to look at even. It's kind of part of the reason I got interested in crystals when I was little, just because they're like fun and cute, and I thought they were like a cute little decoration. I had no idea that there was so much scientific evidence behind them having different kind of vibrations and things like that. While I was at Earthbound, there was this lady, like I said before, she was super helpful. She helped me out with a lot of different stuff. One of the things she did point me towards though is this book, and I'm really excited that I got this. It's called Crystals. It's awesome. I highly recommend this book. We've already read a whole bunch about the crystals that I have and other crystals that I am going to be wanting to get. The best part about this book is that it's color coded. So if you have one you don't know the name of, you just flip to the color. You can go through until you find the one that fits, whichever one it is. It gives you a description on the rock and all its properties and everything it does right here. It tells you how to use it and the hardness level, the texture, what it looks like, all that kind of things. And this book is very, very helpful. I would have literally no idea what I was doing if it wasn't for this book. It's only $15 at Earthbound. So if you're getting into crystals, I would suggest getting a book just because it's kind of more helpful. I am using YouTube resources as well, but also a book is just kind of a good reference to have all the time on hand. And this book is kind of small. I can hold it in one hand, so I kind of like that this is just a small little thing that I can take around, and it's color coded, so it's super easy. If you find one and you want to know a little bit about it, you can flip to it and find it and read, which I think is super cool. So I'm really glad I got this book. Thank you to the lady in Earthbound who suggested this for me, because totally needed this. Today we actually went to a local store called Awakening, and they have a lot of different things. They had crystals, rocks, stones, and they had tarot reading cards, they had psychic readings and all that kind of stuff. I did pick up some more things from there today. I picked up some sage to be able to sage all my crystals, which I'm kind of excited about. They have these little ones that you could put in a little bag, and you could get 10 of them. And these ones are really cute because they're dainty and small, but they're really good to hold or put in your pocket or keep in your car if you're one of those people that wants to keep them around you constantly. The next thing I got that we're gonna be doing today is smashing these rocks. So they just had a big bucket of rocks and you smash them open and there's supposed to be crystals inside. So we picked up 5 of them. We're gonna be doing that today, just kind of see what happens with these. These were just kind of for fun to see. You know, I don't expect much out of them. They were like $1 a piece, but I think it'd be cool to smash them open and see what's inside. Now, the next thing I got was this little stand-up quartz. I think this is just beautiful. I think it's so cute, and it's gonna look really cute on my desk. I just wanted to have a little setup of bigger rocks to kind of keep on my desk, just kind of keep me in that mindset and that headspace. And if they are doing anything, giving off those vibrations when I'm working hard at school or doing whatever I need to do at my laptop or computer or desk. So I really liked this. I thought it was a really cute little piece. It kind of looks like a little icicle mountain. It's so cute. And the last 2 big pieces I got from my collection, I should have written down the names, but I just didn't. So I'm gonna have to look them up in my book, but that's okay because it's color coded, so it'll be easy. But I got this big one right here, which I just think this is an absolutely gorgeous color. It's very me, very cute, very chic, and I liked it, and it goes along with that quartz really well. And the other one I got was this one. Again, this coloring is just so beautiful. I love it. I think it's gonna go really well with the quartz. And just kind of these color combinations, these 2 together are just beautiful, and then adding that quartz into it is just gonna make it look so good. So I'm really excited about these 2. Like I said, I'll have to look them up because I'm unsure of what they are, but really excited to add these into my collection and onto my desk. Subscribe down below.